Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the fascinating world of numismatic. Today we've got an exciting journey through some intriguing 2 euro cent coins from across Europe. We'll start with the Belgium 2 euro cent from 2004, exploring its unique features and collector appeal. Then we'll move on to Austria's 2 euro cent coins, comparing the 2008 and 2004 editions to uncover any interesting differences. Lastly, we'll take a closer look at the 2002 Irish 2 euro cent coin, discussing its rarity, design and value in today's market. So let's get started video. The Belgium 2 euro cent 2004 coin is part of the standard euro coin series, which was introduced after Belgium adopted the euro currency. Country, Belgium. Year of minting, 2004. Value, 2 euro cents. Material, copper-plated steel. Diameter, 18.75 mm. Weight, 3.06 grams. Thickness, 1.67 mm. Shape, round with a plain edge. Designer, lOT. Obverse front, features a portrait of King Albert II of Belgium. Inscriptions. The royal monogram A for Albert. Below the portrait surrounded by 12 stars, symbolizing the European Union. Mint mark, located near the lower right side of the portrait, indicating the mint location. Royal Belgian Mint. Date. The year 2004 is placed on this side. Reverse back design. The reverse is the standard design for 2 euro cent coins across all Eurozone countries. Image, a globe showing the EU's geographical outline along with 6 diagonal lines cutting across the globe. Inscriptions, the denomination 2 euro cent and the initials of the designer. lOT. Mintage and rarity, mintage. The exact mintage for the 2004 Belgium 2 euro cent is not extremely high, meaning it is generally not rare. However, its condition, uncirculated or error versions could affect its value. Rarity. This coin is generally considered common for circulation, but uncirculated or error coins from this year may have higher value to collectors. Value. Circulated condition, typically around face value 2 euro cents. Uncirculated or mint condition could be valued higher depending on the market, typically a few euros. Errors or variants. Special minting errors such as misalignments, planchet issues or double strikes can significantly increase the coin's value among collectors. The Belgium 2 euro cent coin, like other euro coins, was first minted in 2002, when Belgium adopted the euro currency as part of the Eurozone. The 2 euro cent coin has been continuously minted since then. Coins from specific years, especially those in good condition or with mint errors, may hold collectible value. The 2004 2 euro cent coin is generally common, but collectors may seek it for their collections, especially if they have a specific interest in Belgian minting. The exact mintage for the 2004 Belgium 2 euro cent is not extremely high, meaning it is generally not rare. However, its condition, uncirculated or error versions could affect its value. Rarity. This coin is generally considered common for circulation, but uncirculated or error coins from this year may have higher value to collectors. Second, the 2002 Irish 2 euro cent coin was part of the first series of euro coins minted after Ireland adopted the euro as its official currency. Country, Ireland. Denomination, 2 euro cents. Year of issue, 2002. First year Ireland started using the euro. Composition, copper-plated steel. Weight, 3.06 grams. Diameter, 18.75 mm. Thickness, 1.67 mm. Shape, round with a smooth edge. Minting technique, struck with high pressure using dies. Obverse national side. The Irish 2 euro cent coin features a design common to all Irish euro coins, the Celtic harp, also known as the clairseach, a traditional symbol of Ireland. Above the harp, you'll see the word era, Irish for Ireland, and the year of minting, 2002. The 12 stars surrounding the harp symbolize the European Union. Reverse common side. The reverse side is identical to all 2 euro-cent coins across the Eurozone countries. It features a globe with the 15 countries of the EU as it was in 2002. And diagonal lines cutting through the globe with the denomination. 2 euro-cent prominently displayed. It also includes the designer's initials LL for Luc Louix, who designed the euro coin reverse sides. Total mintage for 2002, approximately 153,632,000 coins, making it quite common in circulation, value and collectability as of now. The 2002 Irish 2 euro-cent coin is not particularly rare due to its high mintage, face value, 2 cents, collector value. If in circulated condition it generally holds just face value. However, uncirculated or proof versions may fetch slightly higher prices, typically between 50 cents and €1 depending on condition and demand. Face value in Pakistani rupees (PKR). Since the face value is 2 cents, the equivalent in Pakistani rupees would be around PKR 6 to 7 depending on the current exchange rate. €1 equals approximate PKR 300 to 350. However, this coin is not commonly used for transactions in Pakistan. It would primarily hold value for coin collectors or enthusiasts, and its value in the local market can increase if it's in uncirculated condition or if the coin has some historical significance or errors. Irish 2 euro-cent coins were first minted in 2002. The same year Ireland adopted the euro currency as part of the Eurozone. They are still being produced today for circulation and special issues, so they have not been discontinued. Second, the 2 euro-cent coin from Ireland, minted in 2004, is part of Ireland's euro coin series. General information: country, Ireland, era, year, 2004. Denomination, 2 euro-cent. Minting year, 2004. Composition, copper-plated steel. Weight, 3.06 grams. Diameter, 18.75 millimeters. Thickness, 1.67 millimeters. Edge, smooth. Obverse national side. Design, Irish harp clairseach. This harp design is based on the Trinity College harp, a historical and cultural symbol of Ireland. Text, era Ireland in the Irish language to the left of the harp. Year, 2004 to the right of the harp. Stars, 12 stars encircle the coin representing the European Union. Designer, Jarlath Hayes. Reverse common euro design. A globe on the right-hand side showing the outline of Europe. The left-hand side features 6 diagonal lines cutting through. The stars representing the connection between the EU member states. The denomination 2 euro-cent appears in the top left. Designer, Luc Louix. Mintage figures for 2004. Regular circulation approximately 50 million. Coins were minted in 2004. This mintage number makes it a common coin, meaning that in circulated condition, it holds little to no additional value beyond its face value. Collectability and rarity. The 2004 Irish 2 euro-cent coin is widely circulated and relatively common. In circulated condition, its collector value is generally equal to its face value 2 cents. Uncirculated mint condition. If the coin is in uncirculated or mint condition, its value may be slightly higher for collectors, but not significantly unless part of a set. Error coins, as with any coin minting, errors such as off-center strikes, double dies, or planchette flaws could significantly increase the value of the coin. However, these errors are rare and are typically discovered through detailed examination. Metal value. The metal composition copper-plated steel gives the coin a low intrinsic value in terms of. The obverse side features the harp occasionally. Ireland issues special sets or proof versions of their coins, which may include the 2 euro-cent coin. These versions are typically of higher value for collectors. especially if they are in mint condition or part of a set. Circulation: this coin is widely circulated in Ireland and across the Eurozone. As with most euro coins, it is legal tender in all countries that use the euro, meaning it can be used in transactions across the European Union's euro area. A traditional symbol of Ireland, along with the word "era," the Irish name for Ireland, and the year of minting. The reverse side is the common European design for 2 euro-cent coins, which shows a map of Europe and stars, representing the European Union. Second, the Austria 2 euro-cent coin from 2008 is part of the standard euro coin series. These coins were first introduced in 2002, replacing Austria's former currency, the Austrian shilling, as the country adopted the euro. Obverse front: the obverse design of this coin features the famous Austrian flower Edelweiss, symbolizing Austria's natural beauty and its alpine landscapes. The coin also displays Austria's 12 stars of the European Union around the edge, representing the solidarity and unity of the member states. Reverse back: the reverse is the standard design for all euro-cent coins, which shows a globe featuring Europe along with the denomination 2 euro-cent. Mint year: 2008. Composition: the coin is made from copper-plated steel, giving it a reddish appearance. Weight: 3.06 grams. Diameter: 18.75 millimeters. Thickness: 1.67 millimeters. Edge: smooth. Mintage: in 2008. Austria minted a large number of 2 euro-cent coins, making them common for circulation and not rare or highly valuable among collectors unless in uncirculated or proof condition. Value: the value of the coin is generally low, around face value 2 euro-cents, but it can range up to a few euros for coins in pristine uncirculated condition. It's mostly collected for its aesthetic design or as part of a complete euro set. Start of production: the euro was adopted by Austria on January 1, 2002. Coins including the 2 euro-cent coin have been minted since then. End of production: for 2008 coin. The 2008 dated coin was produced throughout 2008. After that, coins dated 2009 were minted. So the 2008 version was only minted during that year. Value: face value. The coin's face value is 2 euro-cents euro. 0.02. Current value: in circulated condition, most 2008 Austrian 2 euro-cent coins hold their face value. However, if the coin is in uncirculated or proof condition, its value can be slightly higher for collectors, potentially between 10 cents and 50 cents, depending on the coin's condition. The 2 euro-cent coin is one of the smaller denominations in the euro system and is commonly used for everyday transactions, making it less likely to be rare unless it's in uncirculated or proof condition. Please subscribe my channel.